Saan mo gawa sa 11?
Nurse speak English. Sorry.
Smile.
mo na ginana magaras makisiyo.
Ako sabi, paano ako?
Ikaw ko na ba? Testing 1, 4, 3.
Hindi mga bayon.
Bagay kay Kwani
Hindi mo kaya kay mga bata.
I can fit into everything, even big dicks.
Gumaya na. Ay! Mga akyo. Mga ditso ng akyo.
They are not going to we can't be real.
Ano, bilang ako na sa pare.
Thank you, Lord.
Bagay kay na ako.
But there's something wrong.
Paul, ako ano ni? Yuck! Naglo-ulo! Video,
Kita ko! Bibukay mali siya.
What if? Nag-upos yung
Yuck! Naglo-ulo!
How can you do that to a robot? I don't
What can you say about masturbating in the school? Paul?
I think it's not appropriate. Look.
What do you mean? It's not appropriate. Yes, of course, it's not appropriate. But don't you think it's kind of thrilling? Like,
No, kinda.
No, it's not. Because I firmly believe that doing that thing in this school is not appropriate.
Kinda.
yes, but
But it is a personal thing. It is
Yes,
not.
but that's
it's not
what
for school
makes
institutions
it
like this. It's
thrilling.
professional. It's formal. You must consider that before you talk like.
what do you mean by school is formal? School is not formal.
Oh, nagsalita.
Masturbating your body is healthy for us. Do you know why?
Oh, really?
Search it in
How?
Google.
How?
You can know.
Give me the evidence. Give me
Evidence?
exactly.
Tawag Google, Google.
That is not evidence. You're just telling me to search things out. You are not searching for your own.
Oo, kasi i-search ko yun.
Provide evidence. Tell me. Oh, exactly.
Do you want to know the positive why we need to masturbate our body?
So, ano that?
Ano ka talaga mag-masturbate? Because we need to that is
That's your
why
opinion.
siya
That's
magawa
not
siya is
objective.
not.
That's
That-
subjective.
No, it's
The
not
doctor
an opinion.
recommended it for you. Pupo ka ba?
Wala na tayo. Hindi na natipid. Diba? Hindi na natipid. Huwag nun.
Okay, what can you say about her claim?
All I can say about the claim is that it was not based on reasoning or any...
CEO, what can you say about
It
his?
was not evidence. Bisa na yung konsunang dahil
Ay, wrong! Wrong grammar. It's not evidence.
Give me wrong grammar. Ay, ako na ang bakay. Nulan may original thing. Sayang.
Hindi maklaro.